very well. Hello friends, welcome to Hotspan Kitchen. Today I am going to make Bisibelle bath. This is a Karnataka speciality. Let us see what I have used for this rice. I have taken half a cup of tur dal which has been soaked for 1 hour and drained the water. This is 1 cup of rice, normal rice. I've used kolam rice which I had soaked for an hour and drained it. 2 tablespoons of green peas, 1 small tomato, 5 to 6 French beans, 1 small onion, 1 small potato, carrot, 1 small. This is peanuts, about 2 tablespoons, green chilli, soaking tamarind. I'll be putting hot water so that the pulp will come out faster. This is hot water. Let us keep it aside and later on we can take out the pulp. And the masala that I have used is MTR's Bisibelle bath masala, which has got everything, no need of adding any other masala. If you want, you can add some turmeric and chili powder. That's it. So let us start with the cooking. I have taken a cooker. In this, I'll be putting about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Now let us put the tur dal. Let us add quarter spoon of turmeric, onion, the French beans, potatoes, carrots, green peas, adding some peanuts, mix it well. Peanuts is optional. I'm adding this just because it will have a crunch. Tomato, green chillies, Going to add some hot water. Mix it well. Now goes the rice. Mix it well. In the tamarind pulp, we can add Bisibelle bath masala. I'm going to add about 3 spoons. Mix it nicely. This paste will add to the mixture. Add some curry leaves. Half a spoon of chilli powder. And the masala along with the tamarind. Some hot water. Mix it nicely. Let us add some hot water. The water level should be 1 inch above the mix. As far as possible, add hot water. We have not added salt, so let us add a spoon of salt. Mix it well. We will need some more water. Now let us close the cooker. One whistle in full flame and 2 whistles in low flame. After that, we can take out the cooker. You can open this. Very well. Now we'll do the tempering. I've taken a small pan, putting about 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, let's add the cashew nuts, let this become golden brown. Let us add the red chilli and some curry leaves. Off the flame, let us add some asafoetida and pour this into the eggs. And some coriander leaves. That's it. Our Bisibelle bath is ready. Now we can. Friends, this is the Bisibelle bath that I have made today. Let's put coriander leaves. That's it. This is the Bisibelle bath and it is served with curd and fatsam. Friends, if you have liked my recipe, please like, share and comment, and also Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Take care of your health. Thank you so much.